Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, Senior Lecturer in Information Technology from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Here we are going to see about second chapter, that is Internet of Things. The learning outcomes of this chapter, Internet of Things, are embedded system, architecture of embedded system, embedded processors, IoT definition and characteristics, IoT enabling technologies, IoT levels and deployment templates, IoT issues and challenges application, IoT devices and its features. Logical design of IoT. Logical design of an IoT system refers to an abstract representation of the entities and processes without going into the low level specific of the implementation. IoT fundamental blocks are device, communication, services, management, security, and application. Here is the block diagram of fundamentals of IoT. IoT communication models consist four models that are request response, publish subscribe, push pull, and last exclusive pair. IoT communication APIs are two types. First is REST based communication API. REST means representational state transfer, and second one is WebSocket based communication API. IoT enabling technologies. There are three IoT enabling technologies. First is wireless sensor network. Second is cloud computing. In cloud computing, we have three categories or three parts or three services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Everyone knows about it. And third enabling technology is big data analytics. Here are some levels of IoT and deployment templates. Total six levels are there for IoT levels. Here is the first level, level 1. The second level of IoT or IoT level 2. The third level of IoT. Fourth level of IoT. Fifth level of IoT. Sixth level of IoT. IoT issues and challenges. Most of issues and challenges relevant to IoT are data privacy. Some manufacturers of smart TVs collect data about their consumers or customers to analyze their viewing habits so that the data collected by the smart TVs may have a challenge for data privacy during transmission. Second is data security. Data security is also a great challenge. While transmitting data seamlessly, it is important to hide from observing devices on the internet. Third, insurance concerns. The insurance companies installing IoT devices on vehicles collect data about health and driving status in order to take decisions about insurance. Lack of common standards. Since there are many standards for IoT devices and IoT manufacturing industries, therefore, it is a big challenge to distinguish between permitted and non-permitted devices connected to the internet. Technical concerns. Due to the increased usage of IoT devices, the traffic generated by these devices is also increasing. Hence, there is a need to increase network capacity. Therefore, it is also a challenge to store a huge amount of data for analysis and further final storage. Security attacks and system vulnerabilities. There has been a lot of work done in the scenario of IoT security up till now. The related work can be divided into system security, application security, and network security. Next is system security. System security mainly focuses on overall IoT system to identify different security challenges, to design different security frameworks, and to provide proper security guidelines in order to maintain the security of a network. Next is application security. Application security works for IoT application to handle security issues according to the scenario requirements. And last issue is and challenge is network security. Network security deals with security the IoT communication network for communication of different IoT devices. Here are some applications of IoT. First is home automation. In home automation, smart lighting, smart appliances, intrusion detection, smoke or gas detectors are there. Smart lighting helps in saving energy by adapting the lighting to the ambient condition and switching on or off or dimming the light when needed. Smart appliances make the management easier and also provide status information to the users remotely. Intrusion detection uses security cameras and sensors to detect intrusion and raise alerts. Alerts can be the form of SMS or email sent to the user. Smoke or gas detector are installed in homes and buildings to detect smoke that is typically an early sign of fire. Alerts raised by smoke detectors can be the form of signals to the fire alarm system. Gas detectors can detect the presence of harmful gases such as CO, LPG, etc. Second application is in cities. In cities, smart parking make the search for parking space easier and convenient for drivers. Smart parking are powered by IoT systems that detect the number of empty parking slots and send information over internet to smart application backends. Smart lighting for roads, parks, and buildings can help in saving energy. Smart roads equipped with sensors can provide information on driving conditions, travel time estimating, and alert in case of poor driving conditions, traffic conditions, and accidents. Structural health monitoring uses a network of sensors to monitor the vibration levels in the structures such as bridges and buildings. Surveillance. The video feeds from surveillance cameras can be aggregated in cloud-based scalable storage solution. And last is emergency response. IoT systems for fire detection, gas and water leakage detection can help in generating alerts and minimizing their effects on the critical infrastructure. The third main application is environment. Weather monitoring. System collects data from a number of sensors attached and send the data to cloud-based application and storage backends. The data collected in cloud can then be analyzed and visualized by cloud-based application. Air pollution monitoring. System can monitor emission of harmful gases such as CO2, CONO, NO2, etc. by factories and automobiles using gaseous and meteorological sensors. The collected data can be analyzed to make informed decisions on pollution control approaches. Noise pollution monitoring. Due to growing urban development, noise levels in cities have increased and even become alarmingly high in some cities. IoT-based noise pollution monitoring system uses a number of noise monitoring systems that are deployed at different places in the city. The data on noise levels from the station is collected on servers or in the cloud. The collected data is then aggregated to generated noise maps. Forest fire detection. Forest fire can cause damage to natural resources, property, and human life. Early detection of forest fire can help in minimizing damage. And last is river flood detection. River flood can cause damage to natural and human resources and human life. Early warnings of floods can be given by monitoring the water level and flow rate. IoT-based river flood monitoring system uses a number of sensors nodes that monitor the water level and flow rate sensors. The next application of IoT is retail inventory management. IoT systems enable remote monitoring of inventory using data collected by RFID readers. Smart payments solutions such as contactless payments powered by technologies such as near field communication and Bluetooth. Third, smart vending machine. Sensors in a smart vending machines monitor its operations and send the data to the cloud, which can be used for predictive maintenance. Next application is logistics, route generation and scheduling. IoT-based system backed by cloud can provide first response to the route generation queries and can be scaled up to serve a large transportation network. Fleet tracking. Use GPS to track location of vehicle in real time. Shipment monitoring. IoT-based shipment monitoring systems uses sensors such as temp, humidity to monitor the condition and send data to cloud where it can be analyzed to detect food spoilage. Last is remote vehicle diagnostics. System uses a onboard IoT devices for collecting data on vehicle operations and status of various vehicle subsystems. The next IoT application is agriculture. Smart irrigation to determine moisture amount in soil. Greenhouse control to improve productivity. Next application is industry. Machine diagnosis and prognosis. Indoor air quality monitoring. Health and lifestyle, health and fitness monitoring, wearable electronics. These are the applications of IoT. Thank you. Here we end the fourth part of IoT.